Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me these headphones for free so I could check them out and let you know what I think about them. So first off, I just want to show you the nice presentation inside this case here and just show you this display here. Hopefully you can see it. The display there shows you the charge level. So let me try to get that out. Now it should show you. Now you see how nicely that sits in there. So it has a really nice strong magnet. So when you take these out and set them in, it just snaps in there and holds in place really nicely. So I love that about it. Close the case up and give you a quick look around it. You can see here's the USB-C input for charging. Just a really nice looking, slim, slender case. Really sleek, so I like that. Again, open it up. So I'll take them out and just show you how they fit and tell you some of my favorite things about them, which to me, I want to say I have a problem a lot of times wearing like the normal earbuds because I don't really like things in my ear. It's really uncomfortable for me. So I actually really like these after having them for a week or so because they just feel really nice. Like the material is really smooth. The quality feels really nice. And to me, when I put them on my ear, again, they just feel nice on my ear because, again, I don't like having the earbuds in my ear. So just give you a quick look on the side. You can see how they just kind of sit flat on the outside, both sides there. So that's actually my favorite thing about them. But again, and then just the overall nice quality and sleek look of them. They're just really cool headphones. So if you're looking for something at a really good value, you should definitely go ahead and check these out.